Okay, I'm going to do a review on the Dremel 4000. So you open it up, and that's what's in the box. Here's the Dremel. It's really nice. I really like it a lot. You can change the speed from 5 to 35 RPMs right there. It has, this is the on and off switch right here. And the button, there's this button right here that you push to make it so the motor doesn't spin. So if you want to attach an attachment, you put it in just like that, and then you screw that on, and then you can tighten it fully on with that, or you can use the wrench, and then let go, and then you're all ready to go. And then if you want to take it off, you do the same thing, just doing that, take it off. So I'm going to do a couple tests, and I'm going to show the different things that come in the box. So I'm going to do the big pieces first. There's this little piece that's for sanding, and you can, if you wanted to do something flat and you don't want it to be at an angle, you put your sanding wheel in and can sand around so that the hole doesn't come out not uneven. And then I have the shield that's you can use for all kinds of different stuff. And this is like a little router piece, which is pretty cool. And then this right here is for making round holes. So you basically, this is on the wrong side, but you drill a hole and you put this part in, which is actually supposed to be on the bottom. You put that part into the hole, and then you take your Dremel and put it in and use the bit that you're using, and then you can cut your hole out. That. And then I also have this little piece it's an extra hand piece for the grip right here. Grip piece, so you can, it's the different part. I have this right here too, which is for sharpening clippers, like garden clippers, and you use this little one and that goes in there. And then onto the pieces that you can put on, you have, when it comes with this, you can't actually, this is 2 plastic cutting wheels. I got these, hold on. These right here are both thin cut wheels, but they're really worn down. And then these are 2 metal cutting wheels, and I've already used that one. So then if you go on to here, this part right here, there's a little box and it has all the accessories. So I have this little grinding thing, and there's a bunch of these in there, and I have a couple of these grinding pieces, and I already have one of these on there, but I have a wire brush. It's the other kind of wire brush, and then I have this kind of wire brush. And I have this bigger one of those grinding wheels, the one that looks like this one right here. It's just bigger. And then I have these right here. And I used this one for glazing and stuff, to take glazing off. And then these right here are 2 different size, 2 different size engraving bits. Whoops. And this collet right here goes to this one. And then I have this piece right here that you use to screw your buffing pad on, just like that. And then I have, for the buffing pads, I have that one. So this is all the buffing pads. Hold on a second. This is all the buffing pads that came with it. So that was nice that they had all those. And then I have a sanding piece on here. So I also have these right here. This is a little brush, like a cleanup brush. And then this is another sharpening stone piece. And then I have a drill bit right here. Drill bit. That works pretty good. And then I also have this piece, which is meant for, you actually use this bit for this right here. But it's meant you can cut stuff out with it. And it also comes with this piece, which is for the flex shaft, and I'm not going to do the review with the flex shaft in this video, but they send a wrench with it too. So now I'm going to do the test. Okay, this is the first test. I'm going to be sanding this paint off of this piece of wood. So here it goes. I'm going to put the Dremel on about 20 RPMs. So here it goes. So there it is. It worked pretty good. I wasn't pressing down very hard, so that worked pretty good. So the next test I'm going to do is I'm going to use the wire brush and clean off a rusty piece of metal. Okay, so now I'm going to test the Dremel with the wire brush out on this piece of rusty metal. So here it goes. It took quite a bit of rust off. I'm going to now try a different bit. It's right here. It's not metal, but it works a lot better than the metal bit. So again, I have this about 20 RPM. So ready? So this one works a lot better. So that's that and then that. So this one works pretty good. And then now I'm gonna try doing buffing. So I have some buffing compound right here. Put a little bit of that on. Okay, so that worked pretty good. It's nice and smooth, and I think that's basically it. So that's my review of the Dremel 4000.